Hey, it's Sangeeta from Sweet Everlasting Blooms of Cold Porcelain and Sugarcraft Academy, where I help you learn how to make your own creations from air dry clay and gum paste. There are lots of people out there showing you how to make roses, but they often miss the most important factor that easily destroy the entire experience of your creations and your expectations of the outcome. The best part is with some simple structured steps, which is absolutely critical to the road of success. So let's begin to build your skills to the route of success with my super simple way of making a rose, which I call a quickie. This is what we're going to make tomorrow. That's a beautiful rose, very, very simple. Okay. We're going to even learn how to color this rose and make this rose. You're going to love it. Don't miss the opportunity and join me tomorrow at noon Eastern Standard Time. Don't worry if you can't make it. You'll have access to all the videos along with the previous ones we have done when you join the Pay and Play Club, and the link is in the description box. Thanks and see you in there.